What's going on, guys? You got Kicks89 here, back with another review exclusively for you guys out there. Thank you so much for staying in tune. Today we have got a very quick review on these. To me, the packaging is pretty underwhelming because I didn't get the special box. But this is on the dark matter colorway of the Anta Shock Wave 5, i.e. Kyrie's first shoe that he rocked when he was with Anta, and it's still pretty relevant today. I think this is one of the best performing shoes. Not my personal pair, but let's just go very quickly into it. This is just the standard brown Anta box, nothing really special. For the size tag right there. And the only reason I'm kind of pissed is because you don't get the writing all over there, but you kind of, it's the shoes, not the box, so whatever, doesn't matter. So unboxing you guys this in POV view. So this is basically the shoe, and a quick 360 for a super close-up POV style, because I just want to get this out for you guys all out there. So I think there's tons of videos about this shoe on YouTube right now, but I actually wanted to point out that this is a personal favorite of mine because of the way that it looks and the way that it performs. This is Anta's. This has a lot of Anta's proprietary materials, just like the this ETPU or supercritical foam. It kind of looks like Boost, but at the same time it also kind of has these ridges and nibs coming out of it. There's loads of details on this shoe alone. There's like this thumbprint at the top of the lace hole just right there, the proprietary knit material. I don't have the description on the box, so I can't really tell you what's going on, and like I said, I just wanted to get this out for you guys. But this knit feels very solid and very pliable to the touch. You have a few fuse overlays, and this is what I like about the dark matter colorway, is that it's kind of like iridescent and pretty nice. I mean, like, changes colors just a little bit, adds to the black color. That is Anta's Shock the Game logo. It kind of looks like Jeremy Lin's logo, but whatever. You have the proprietary this is the lace support hole, and you've got this independent lace thingy at the third and fourth lace loop. You have cables, bungee cables, kind of like Nike's Flywire system, and this actually runs through all the way down here. You can kind of tell where that blue is peaking, going all the way up there. So it kind of like acts like fingers that will grab your foot and keep it on the footbed. You have this kind of like foot frame TPU surrounding the eTPU. So it's kind of like, and when you're actually inside the shoe, you sit right inside here. So that's pretty nice to have, like, loads of containment. You have an outrigger, which is pretty solid and pretty stable, and that is pretty wide also. And the logo is just right there. Some hits of purple at the top. This is on every single Shock Wave 5 shoe, you'll have like a different logo over here, and this one is like this basketball DNA logo with the Shock Wave logo at the top. It's kind of interesting to note that this actually sits a bit sengit, so like when you pull it up, it's going to be not here, it's going to be over there. It's not because I chose to do it that way, but that's how it comes, and that's how it will look like when you wear the shoe. You have loads of detailing, like I said. You can see that there. I don't know what that says, but this galaxy print is what actually drew me to the shoe specifically. You have more of that proprietary knit material surrounding all the way up to the heel counter. Heel counter has that Shock the Game or Shock Wave logo just right there, and a pretty nice sculpted heel. And this heel feels pretty solid, and it has an internal TPU, but it is pretty squishy and pretty pliable. That's how the heel looks. On this side, you kind of get whatever is on this side, except you don't have the independent free floating lace system, but you have that, and the layers of TPU, so all the way around. This is how the tongue looks. Tongue is like a semi mesh with the pull tab, which you can put your finger through as well. Very nice. That's how it looks like from the top. On the inside, you have loads of ankle pillows. This is a support, heel support monster right there. Very, very soft, very, very pliable, and it feels very, very comfortable once you step into it. That's the Shock the Game logo just right there. Equality is the heart of the basketball and the soul of the world. That's a pretty nice statement to have on the inside of the pull tab. You have the size tag just over inside there. Actually, let me just get it to focus. I don't think it will, but yeah, just right there on the side. On the footbed, you have just a Anta logo with a black sock liner, and it's interesting that this sock liner is a polyurethane style actually. So that's what the sock liner looks like. There's some perforations. It looks pretty solid, and it has this NA1 logo. I think it's the proprietary foam that they use, probably something similar to the ETPU used here, but just more for step and comfort. Some more of that detail just right there on the midfoot. I'll point out what's on the midsole later, but that's what the Strobel board looks like. You can see the ETPU inside, and you can see the carbon fiber, that black part peeking through the holes, the carbon fiber. Let's get to the midsole. Like I said, ETPU just now with loads of support. This is the foot frame leading all the way from around here, ending up here. You've got a torsional support plate, which is actually like a Y support unit that runs through this. And underneath that support plate, you kind of have the carbon fiber peeking through, and I believe that this is like just about this size. Adds for a nice very foot frame. The ETPU at the back, and the very, very solid, very, very durable outsole for outdoor balling use. And that is essentially the Shock Wave 5 Dark Matter from Anta. And this is your boy TJ Got Kicks 89 doing a POV style review for you guys because I haven't done it in a while. Peace. See you guys the next one.